Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to study the linear equation and we will solve how to solve the linear equation and we will classify the types of different equations. So first of all, the linear equation. So any equation is of the form, the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus b equals 0 with the condition a is not equal 0. If it is equal 0, the constant equals 0. Therefore, you will have the ax plus b equal 0 is the standard form of a linear equation. If you solve the equation, you will get the degree of x is 1. Therefore, you will get only one solution, one value for x, one value for x. So this is the linear equation. Always when you solve the linear equation, you will get the one value of x. And let us go to solve the problem here. So this is the linear equation 3x minus 1 equal 5. So how will you solve? So I have to solve for x. Therefore, fix the x one side and move all the term other side. You will get 5 plus 1 which is equal 6. So I don't want the 3x. I need only x. Divide by 3 both sides. You will get x equals 2. So this is the final answer. And here, this is the one values you will get. If you want to check your answers are right or wrong, to check, I just substitute this value of x in the given equation. It will satisfy the equation. So you will get 5 here. 6 minus 1 equal 5. Therefore 5 equal 5. So it satisfies. Therefore our answer is correct. Now let us go to the next one. So here we will have 5x plus 7 equal minus 1. So same rule, 5x equal minus 1 minus 7 which is equal minus 8. So I need only x, so just divide minus 8 over 5. So you will get a fraction. The x value is equal minus 8 over 5. Now the next one here, we will have the two side as the expression of x. So therefore, how will you solve? So I will write it this one, 2x plus 1. I simplify this part. You have to multiply first the given part here, 7x plus 7. And then minus 5 will be separate. You should not multiply the 7. The 7 is the multiply only for x plus 1 term. So now we have to simplify. What is the simplify this part? You will have 7x plus 2. And in the left side, you will have x plus 1. Now move the x one side and the constant other side. I will move this one here and the constant here. So you will get this value is equals 2x minus 7x equal to minus 1. So therefore the value gives here which is equal minus 5x equal 1. So I don't want the minus 5. So divide by both sides by minus 5. You will get minus 5 here, minus 5 here. Now therefore the solution is x equal minus 1 over 5. So the 5 with the 5 cancel. So you will get minus 1 over 5 is the solution. And similarly, we will solve one more problem in the same type. So I have to multiply the 2 here. Inside, you will get 6x plus 8. And this minus 1 will be separate. And similarly, I have to multiply the 5 inside. 5x minus 10 plus 4. Now add it, simplify this expression in the right side, which is equal plus 7. And the left side, which is equal 5x minus 6, and then move the x one side. So you have to move the x and the constant other side. You will find it, this is 6x minus 5x equal minus 6 minus 7. So this is equal x equal minus 13. So this is the final answer. So this is the linear equation. Now we will have the linear equation in the fraction as well. So whenever you will have a linear equation in the fraction, just cross multiply this part. So when you cross multiply, it gives 7 times of 2x plus 1 equal 5 times of 3x plus 1. Now after that it's the regular way. Now you have to multiply inside and then simplify. So what is the multiplication here? So we will have it here 14x plus 7 equal minus 15x plus 5. Now, if you move this one that side here, I want to move the x that side and the constant other side, you will have 14x plus 15x equal 5 minus 7. So it is equals 29. So this is equals 29x equal minus 2. I need only the x. I don't want 29. Divide both sides by 29. X equal minus 2 over 29. So this is the solution. The next type of the question, it is given as what? Type of the equation. How will you classify the equation? So an equation, when you have a true statement, we call it this one as a identical. Suppose if you have an example, x equal x, 5 equal 5, 4 equal 4. This is a true statement. That's we call it as an identity. Now the conditional statement, what is the conditional equation? The conditional equation is nothing but if you solve, you will get the one single value solution. This is like an example for the linear equation. This is a conditional equation. This is a conditional equation because when we solve, we will get only one solution for x. So this is a conditional equation. Now the contradiction. A contradiction is an equation which leads to the false statement. That is the statement which is contradiction, end with the contradiction. Suppose if you will get 0 equals 2, which is not a possible, therefore which is a contradiction. So that's why it is a contradiction. So we will have a three different types of equations. So we want to tell which type of the equation belongs to. So first one here, we will have this part. If you solve this one, so what happened? So given equation is x plus 1 equal x plus 4. So both side x with the x, therefore it get cancelled. Same sign, both side get cancelled. So what is the remaining? It is equal 4 equal 1. Is it possible to get the 4 equal 1? So here it is not possible. Why? Because it is a contradiction, false statement. So we will get a false statement. Therefore it is a contradiction. It's a contradiction. It's a contradiction. Now let us go to the next one. Here we will have x. I will solve this equation. So I will move it x here and then here. So it become what? 4x minus x. If you move that side, minus 9 minus 3. So it become minus 3 here. It is minus 12. And upon simplification, you will get minus 4. So therefore, you will get one single solution. So therefore, it is a conditional equation. This one is conditional equation because it has a single solution. So we call it this one as conditional equation. Now let us go with the last one here. So when you multiply this part, what happened? 15x minus 10 minus, when you multiply, minus 7x minus into minus plus 28 minus 28 equal 8x plus 15. Now I will simplify on the left side. If you simplify this part, you will get what? 8x. And then if you simplify the constant part, you will get plus 18. So here on the left side and the right side, it is the same term you will find. Otherwise, if you want to cancel, 8x cancel here, therefore 18 cancel. So answer is 0 equal 0. Therefore it's a true statement. This one is a true statement. So is a true statement. Whenever you will get a true statement, that is the equation is identity, which is the same identity, same term. So identity. When you get the false statements, it's a contradiction. It's a contradiction. In the first problem, we will get a false statement 1 equal 4. That's why false statement, contradiction. When you have a true statement, 0 equals 0, 1 equal 1, 4 equal 4, like that true statement, we will have a identity. So this is the different types of equation of classification. Thank you.